Hello world and welcome to my channel. This video is on a porch extension with a sidewall for a rollout caravan awning. Hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give you a thumbs up. Cheers. This is it. It's a porch end and shade wall, and it extends the rollout awning I have. Comes as this. It includes the pegs, ropes, poles and spreader bar. So, and these are the poles here in this kit here. So this is the roll-out dramatic awning. There's three types of awnings. I don't know them all. This one is a dramatic, fairly easy to put up. And what I'm going to do is extend this end here. So what it's going to do is it's going to come out reattached to another bar that I got to put in there, which is called an anti-flat flap kit bar. It's going to come down here and then down there, and that's where the barbecue area is going to be. So the first stage is to put this kit up, which is called an Aussie Traveller anti-flap kit. Came with the caravan, and this is the first time I'm going to be putting it up. I know it goes into this hole here, and that bracket just here, and then the vinyl clamps down on it, and in that we'll have a sail track like this to slide this on. So I'm just trying it out now to see how it fits. Okay, those are number 2. This is number 1, which is that end. So I assume you have to unlatch them first to open them up. Like that. Insert in there like that. So, like that, and like that. Okay, so that's the anti-flap kit on that end. I might do the other one just yet. It clamps on like that, and then you lock it in place. These down somewhere else. Don't need it now at the moment. So, open this up. There you go, ropes, pegs. And the awning. Now this is a reversible awning, can go on the other side as well, just reverse it. So that's what I'll do now, is I'll put it up. Oh, the next step would be to bag. Oh, good quality screw-in pegs, good quality guy ropes, 4 singles, and the ropes, another ropes, shock cord ropes, see, just see, plastic on it. Two poles. And 1 separating pole. They're extension poles, so twist and lock, twist and lock. This is the spreader pole that spreads between them. Unlatch it, unfold it. So that's what I'm going to be doing next. You're going to need a ladder for this, unless you're a basketball player, and you won't need a ladder. So, So where it goes into is just in here, that groove there. That's like a sail track on a mast. You slide in this edge, which is like a mast as well, like a sail, like the main sail on a main. You slide it up and that goes into there, and then you have to flip the whole thing over this bar here and take it over the top of the bar. So that's what I'm doing now, is I'm putting that in. A bit too short. Okay, right, so that is in. Yeah, or you'd remove that and have it an upright. There, put a peg through the bottom down there. And you can use that other awning on here in the sail track. and your access could be through there. Another one will be on that side, so you could have a virtually an enclosed room here. That's probably how I'm going to eventually have it, straight up and down like that, with the barbecue table in here, barbecue, and then the servery area, and then you can have a chair there, and another chair over here, and a table. Certainly makes it into a large area now. Wouldn't take long to put up once you get used to it. Okay, this is the bag. I put all my poles and everything in for the porch extension, as well as the anti-flap kit. It's Austrail. I'm from Tent World. 1.7 meters long by 1.5 by 1.5. Just keeps everything neat and tidy and all together. That's how I prefer to do everything in one spot, and it just stays on the floor in the caravan. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers.